Now to that crisis at the border, a team of government investigators is headed to those shelters housing migrant children, looking to, quote, ensure the health and safety of the more than 2,000 kids still separated from their parents. This as First Lady Melania Trump plans a second trip to the border. Our chief national affairs correspondent Tom Llamas is outside a center for those children in Arizona with the latest. Good morning, Tom.
Cecilia, good morning to you. Details of the First Lady's trip are still being kept under wraps, but we understand she will be traveling to Arizona today to visit with families and children affected by her husband's zero-tolerance immigration policy. This, as you mentioned, a government watchdog has announced they will be inspecting all facilities similar to this one just behind me that house immigrant children. This used to be a motel. Now kids call it home. This morning, the pressure and the spotlight growing on the care given to these children separated from their parents. This just days after senators grilled the Secretary of Health and Human Services.
Parents that I hear from who desperately want to know where their kids are.
There is no reason why any parent would not know where their child is located.
A judge now ordering the federal government to reunite the more than 2,000 children with their parents within 30 days. Do you think the federal government's going to make that deadline?
I think they're going to work really hard at it. We respond to court orders. Obviously, my counterparts at Health and Human Services and ICE have been working this issue to connect families.
The Commissioner of Customs and Border Protection taking us through the merciless desert terrain that separates Arizona and Mexico. Yet so many still try to cross. More than 150 people arrested every day in this area alone. From the air, we saw it up close.
CBP has spotted two people, one a male dressed completely in camouflage, another a female dressed in red, and they have climbed to the top of a mountain.
And this morning, ABC News obtaining these images of a 6-year-old boy from Costa Rica abandoned, possibly by smugglers, on a border road in Arizona. CBP says he was left with just a bottle of soda in 100-degree heat. And that image shows you the risk that some take, especially with their children. Yesterday, we were able to hike the migrant trail from Mexico into Arizona, right around the border, and we saw how unforgiving that landscape is. George, at least 400 people die a year alone just trying to get into Arizona.
Such treacherous conditions. Okay, Tom, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.